So today we will draw an enemy boy's side wheel. Let's switch to flip tip pen under Legacy. Enable the Ellipse Guide. Double tap the top icon to change it from oval to circle. 今天我们来用沾铅笔画帅哥的侧脸。打开椭圆工具并双击上方的图标，把它变成一个圆形。Switch to the Ruler Guide to draw the ice cream cone. 打开标尺导向工具来画一个冰激凌蛋筒。Decrease the layer opacity to 30. 把图层的不透明度降为30。Enable the predictive stroke from the top with level 2. 把预测笔记打开，级别调成2。The predictive stroke will make your lines smoother. To make it easier to draw on the new layer, let's decrease the opacity of the draft drawing layer to 30. You can draw anything inside his eye. Did you notice that this time I drew a flower? 眼睛里面其实画什么都可以，这次我画了一朵花。When draw the hair, I always draw single line first, then double it. If you want to know how to draw the beat's headphones and his suits, please subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. 如果你想知道他的耳机和西装是怎么画的，那就请关注我的频道来看以后的视频吧。